Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush subscriptions. Sometimes we get the question, we love your course, but now that the trial is over, how do I upgrade my SEMrush account? Actually, upgrading is easy, but before we get to the mechanics, we should point out that there are a few membership levels. First off, it's worth noting that there are 4 paid and 1 unpaid SEMrush account types. For all intents and purposes, the free version is useful to some, but it is nearly worthless for professional marketers and entrepreneurs because the limitations are just too severe. That said, there are 4 paid types that we will focus on here: Pro, Guru, Business, Enterprise. If you have been using the SEMrush trial provided by Beat Your Competition Online at the start of the course, you will have been using the Pro version. This is fine for junior marketers and most entrepreneurs. Advanced marketers and those with clients will want to upgrade to the Guru and Business account, most likely. The limitations are divided into types and include requests in SEMrush. The request basically serves as a search. So if you typed in a domain and were redirected to the domain overview, that would be one request. However, if you were to click on the traffic number listed under organic search from the domain overview, this would be a second request. Results in SEMrush. Results are what show up for your query. For example, if you go to the organic positions report for a domain, each keyword would count as a result. The amount of results that would be displayed with each search would depend on your subscription. PDF reports, scheduled and branded. The PDF limitations within your SEMrush account refer to your capabilities within the My Reports section. Every account has the ability to create as many PDF reports as they wish. However, depending upon your account, you can only schedule a given amount of reports. Historical data in SEMrush. This is only available to Guru-level users or higher. Historical data allows you to see past data on any query you enter within SEMrush. The database goes back as far as January 2012. Pro users will only be able to see live data. Users can access this data through the live data box in the top right of your given report. Projects. The Projects section can serve as a valuable resource for any digital marketer. Through various tools offered within the Projects interface, users can find powerful information to effectively structure their digital marketing campaigns. Now, based on your subscription level, you're only allowed a certain number of projects. Social media profiles. The amount of social media profiles you are able to use within your account coincide with the social media tool. These would be the various competitors you are looking to track within your social media campaigns. Pages to crawl. The volume of pages your account is able to crawl comes down to your site audit projects. The volume of pages will be how many pages your site audit projects can crawl in total. Each package comes with a total number of pages every month that a user can crawl. These pages do not roll over each month, however they do reset. Keywords to track. Just like the other tools within our projects interface, our position tracking tool has limitations as well. These limitations come in the form of keywords. Each subscription provides a total amount of keywords you can track within your account. You can review current limitations on each account type by visiting bit.ly/SEMrushLimits, all lowercase. Let us see now how we can upgrade. Once logged in, let's head to the top right of the SEMrush dashboard and click on the head silhouette to reveal the subscription info link, which we will click. Once in subscription info, click the green upgrade button. Then click whether you want a monthly plan or an annual plan, which can save you a significant amount of money. Now select the plan type, Pro, Guru, or Business. We'd recommend starting with a business plan, especially if you're considering an enterprise plan. You can always upgrade later once you're sure you like the service. and the first 3 plans give you immediate SEMrush access, whereas the Enterprise option involves some negotiating with the SEMrush sales staff. Once you enter your card details, just click Place the Order, and you're good to go. So thanks for checking out the SEMrush subscription process with us. We hope you love the service, and we hope you continue to beat your competition online with this course.